That's cool.
Come on.
What?
Let's eat.
What are we eating? Huh?
We have to rub the wood together and then make it.
What are you making to eat?
Nothing.
Huh?
We're just trying to cool off, and then that's how it camping. That's how it camp.
Oh, so we're camping.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought I was looking at funnel clouds. Oh, look, it's doing it again.
Yep. It's there.
Yep.
Mm.
What are you making to dinner? Hey, how are we gonna have s'mores or hot dogs? What do you want to make for us?
I didn't get any food.
Oh, you didn't get any food?
I forgot to get some food from the house.
Oh, that's okay.
You want to die to death?
Hmm?
You want to die to death?
Oh, I think we'll be okay.